Hey, what's up, high levelers? It's Andrew. We've got a new update for the marketing audit report within the prospecting tool. We now have the ability to view a TechStack as a part of the marketing audit. It's really cool, so let me show you how it works. Now, this will show up in any of your marketing audits, whether it's new prospects or old ones. We're going to go ahead and go into this new one that I created today. Click show report, and then within our marketing audit on the PDF and on the live version, we will see a new section that is called TechStack. This will receive its own score. As you can see, this location is at 80%. And this is going to include the Google Tag Manager, Google Analytics Pixel, Facebook Pixels, Google Ads Pixels, and Google Ads. This is basically going to be evaluating the foundational tools that are driving online marketing efforts. So things like Facebook Pixels and Google Pixels are really important to letting businesses know if they have all the tools they need in order to be growing as fast as they would like. So this is a really helpful addition to the marketing audit. It's going to allow us to close more clients, help our prospects even more, and better serve our customers. If you have any questions about the prospecting tool or the marketing audits or this feature specifically, leave a comment. As always, thank you so much for watching.